What is up, guys? Eric here with contractorgrowth.io. I made something really cool for my contractor friends today. I'm going to walk you through exactly what it is. We're going to basically walk through what I call a master DNA generator, and it's going to generate a report that is a combination of 3 reports we use inside of our business with our SEO clients, our website clients, our ad clients. And what it does is it generates a report based on AI research for your audience, for your competitors, and for your brand. Now, the reason this is valuable is because most people, when they build something with AI or they create content with AI, whether it be a caption for a post, a carousel, an email campaign, it's not the best. And that's mainly due to the context they feed into it. So what you're going to get with this is you're going to be able to generate reports that you can then feed into AI. And if you stick around to the end, I'm going to show you exactly how to create your own GPT, something that you can use over and over and over again without having to upload this document. And you'll use this document and this GPT that I've created to create what you need to upload into your GPT. And if that sounds like a mind fuck, I get it. All right, so we're going to hit this button, open this up. It's going to take us to this handy dandy Smart Site AI DNA report generator. And I'd love to hear in the comments if any of you guys are using AI to create content, what you have found to be successful, if you have been successful, if what you create is kind of garbage. Let me know your experience down in the comments below, and I'll definitely comment back. All right, so to use this, it's super simple. You just follow right along. You're going to say begin DNA report. And I'm going to use my business. It's actually the website. Also, marketing agency, USA, baby. Website design, development, SEO, and AI automation. Main audience is contractor. So you can be more specific if you want. Do you know any main competitors? If not, I can find them. Find them for me. Now, if you have specific competitors you want to look at, definitely put them in. Should I include web research for extra context? Of course. Yes, please. All right. So then you can kind of review what they found. That looks good. I'm going to research competitors. Yes. Now, if anything doesn't look right there when you do that, you can just fix it and it'll update automatically. But it's going to generate this DNA report. All right. And so I recognize these competitors. Those are all on point. And you can read down through this. This is a slightly shortened version than what we created, mainly because we only have 8,000 characters for the prompting on a GPT. Our original prompts were about 24,000 characters. So we had to cut it down a bit, but this will still work really, really well for what we're using it for. Remember, this report is kind of like a Bible for your brand. Now, so you want to go through it. And if there's something that you don't like, you could definitely ask AI to change it. But, this is dialing in on our audience. So this is actually like perfect for us. Normally we would say, so let's do that. Update the audience avatar to audience avatar revenue band to begin at 500K. Now, I'm not going to do any other updates on this just because I want to get into the video. Once it generates that, we're going to ask ChatGPT to turn it. All right, what do we need here? Before I regenerate, would you like any other edits? Nope. Please generate now and make me a downloadable PDF of the whole report. All right, so it's going to do that. When you see this analyzing, normally it's getting ready to create a PDF, which is pretty cool that it can do that. While that's happening, let's jump over and see what the next step here is. So you're going to have access to this exact document, this SOP. So we're going to go to ChatGPT next and explore GPTs and create a GPT. So let's do that. And this is exactly what you're going to do after you have this PDF report. So we're going to open the sidebar, explore GPTs. And up here, we want to create. Now, you do need a $20. I think you need a $20 version or subscription, a plus level subscription to ChatGPT to do this. So you can go ahead and upload a square or a round logo. We're going to throw this in here, name it, whatever you want. We're going to go with that. All right, let's see if our report's done. Okay, sweet. There it is. So we're going to download that. All right, that is downloaded. Awesome. So let's see what next step is. We're going to go to configure. Okay, that's where we're at. In the name field, you're going to enter your business name, Content Creator GPT, or whatever you want. You can even title it Smart Site AI Content Creator for Business AI. Name it what you want. Name it what feels good. All right. And then we are going to click on this, and then we're just going to copy this. I'm telling you, this is super easy. And we're going to put in a description quick. Use this to create awesome content for my business. All right. Let's keep following along, add a starter message, and just copy these exactly because these are actually built into the prompt. So you're just going to put them right in here. And this is going to make a really awesome tool that you guys can use all the time. When you can see our starters, we have it for Google Business Profile posts, emails, social posts, everything. All right. Add your branding so you can put that header image up there, name it, upload the master DNA report. All right, so we're going to upload this and we're going to go to downloads, and I should have a PDF here. There it is. All right, so we have our PDF uploaded. That should be good to go. We don't have to do anything else. So we're going to hit create. Now here, if you want to make sure that nobody else can use this, like if you don't want anybody in your team using this, you can change this to only me. But if you have a team or you want people working for you to be able to use this, which is great, especially if you hire a VA, which by the way, I will have a video coming going over my exact process of how I get amazing VAs to work for me in my company and how you can do the same in your company, including SOPs on hiring, training, all that kind of stuff. So subscribe and follow along. I'll make sure I get that to you. That'll be coming out soon. So we're going to hit save. All right. And this is our GPT that we just created. So that was really easy, hopefully. I know you can do it. If you have any problems doing that, you know where to find me. I can help you with that. All right. So let's test it out. Help me write a social post for my next special offer. We're just going to hit that right away. We'll base everything on your DNA report. Before I write the post, you can tell me what's the special offer you want to promote. How about this? This is going to get real meta. So hang on, guys. I am currently doing a live stream and I want to create a no-brainer offer to offer this whole SOP in exchange for name, email, phone number. If they want me to set the whole thing up for them and train them on a live call on how to use it, I will do that for 3 people for $99. So we're actually going to do that. I think that's a good idea. It's easy to do. If you're not comfortable or you don't want it, or you want that live training session, $99 is easy. Okay, cool. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to copy that, create a scroll stopping image that I can use for the post. So you can see we can really do anything with this because it has that context on you, your competition, and your brand. So it really knows how to dial things in that it creates for you. So that's it, guys. Created this GPT for you to use. This is literally what we use when we're creating content for our clients, for their websites. I mean, we're using slightly different models and different things, but this is the easiest way for you to implement this in your business, and it's going to turn out high quality content. And it's also going to be easier because, yes, you could feed it a lot of context every time you do what you do, or every time you create a new post or new piece of content, but doing it this way, you actually get to just jump into the GPT, type in what you want, it spits it out fast. And if that means that you'll create more content, which it probably does, because it creates less need for overthinking in the beginning. You need less things to put into GPT because you already have it in GPT. It makes it easier. Okay. So that's it. If you want this, I just comment GPT and I'll show you where you can get all this stuff. If you do want to have the white glove setup where I set it up for you, build out the GPT for you, and also train you on different ways to use it, let me know. I'm going to do 3 of those just because it is kind of time intensive. But I do want to help you guys. So anybody who thinks they can't do it on their own, I'm here to help you. All right. Have an awesome day, guys. And I'll see you in the next one. Make sure you follow along. I'm going to have a lot more content like this coming out. Peace.